After the last clash between this GC8 Subaru and the EVO boys ended with one Mitsubishi EVO 6 in the graveyard and another EVO 9 who pulled up to avenge him and ended up getting sent on vacation to Gappy Stan, an immediate rematch has been called.
Too soon, Junior!
The EVO boys were not happy with the last race results and also called foul on the GC8's quoted 690 bhp power figure. That mixed with a novice driver in the EVO 9, the EVO boys partitioned for a rematch. New driver in the EVO 9 vs Subaru GC8, quarter mile roll race and quarter mile drag race. And today, we're making it happen. EVO community, you've got a second chance, but this Subaru's already bodied 2 EVOs, so it's not gonna be a walk in the park. Let's get over and meet the cars and their owners.
Team EVO to the world.
And first up today, returning after crossing out 2 EVOs and representing for the Subaru community, welcoming back Biggs, pulling up with his monster 1997 2.3 litre flat 4 turbo powered 690 bhp Subaru GC8 IMPREZA Turbo 2000. And pulling up as a gun for hire, representing Team Evolution, it's Machiavelli in this savage 2005 2.2 litre inline 4-cylinder turbo powered 727 bhp Mitsubishi Evolution 9. Let's get over and get some specs and sound checks. And as usual, we'll be extracting all of today's race data from our VBox Performance Box Touch GPS timing tools. And first up today, it's the quarter mile roll races. Place your bets and let's get it.
Yo, them nerves start getting there, don't they? Come on, Chavi!
I'll go down there and line up at the bottom.
Go on, go, give it a go. Do that launcher. No, I'm just gonna test it, bro. Keep bugging out, bro. Nah, I'm just testing the launcher if it's working.
No, but don't turn it off.
It's not working, why?
Boys,
Then do yourself.
boys, we're not even drag racing yet. Let's start the roll races now.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This one's for the EVO community, guys. You get me? Let's see what happens.
Hella close mid-track. I'm gonna say the GC8 ran round him though, right up top. Let's find out. Finish line, finish line. Who won that?
No. We got that bug in 4th gear, man.
So that was a clear win to the Subaru.
1-0 to the Subaru. Let's line him back up and go again.
It's crunching in 4th.
It's crunching. You keep going?
Gonna have to.
Cool. The massive clouds coming in, so we need to keep this running, yeah? So back to the bottom, wait for me to say go, yeah?
You were slightly early there. Was I?
I know you went round him though, it's cool, it's cool.
I was early?
A little bit early.
I got a nasty crunchy 4th then. But oh well.
Let's go, we've got to go. The clouds coming in.
Let's see what we got now, man. Let's do this.
Yo, that looked a lot closer that time. It looked like the EVO was by his side for a lot longer. However, I'm gonna say the GC8 Subaru might have just taken that. Finish line, finish line. Who won that?
Right, I'm just gonna mention there is a clutch issue with this car.
That was so much closer. That was about 1 car length to the Subaru.
All right, cool. So the Scooby takes the rolls. Now we got to line them up for a drag race. Place your bets, because this is where things get spicy.
You got lucky there, Sakib, mate. Clutch is letting me down.
Okay, so things aren't looking great right now for the EVO boys. They called this rematch. They need to win something here today. It's drag race time.
1 car, I misgeared again. Cause Sam is solid. Yo, your car's broke, relax.
Ready, ready.
Oh, what the hell, man?
Ready, set, go! Yo, that was mad. So, most disappointing launches from both of them the world has ever seen. I want to say something happened to the GC8 Subaru IMPREZA at the top, and the EVO might have went round him. I don't know, let's find out. Finish line, finish line. Who won that?
That was a clear win to the EVO, but I think we had some problems.
Interesting.
So when it makes gears, it's really, really sick, isn't it? Honestly, problem making gears, ain't it?
Yeah, I was just let off because I didn't think he was coming.
He went round you, bro. He just got. All right, line back up, line back up. Never lift. Never lift, bro. Protect yourself at all times, bro. All right, let's go, let's go. He let off because he thought he won. You went round and you won. Line back up. Better launches, better launches.
I don't count that as a win, guys. Don't take that as a win.
Boys, that was 2 of the most disappointing launches I've ever seen. Yeah, send them. You're in this car to drive it, yeah? Ready, 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 set, go!
Oh, that doesn't.
Oh, bogged down bad, that's all it was.
I don't know what to say. I don't think you can just stop when you're losing. I don't know what we do here. Hey bro, you need to stay on that power because the race still happening. I don't know, like technically, what are we saying?
Forfeit.
Boys, what are we saying? What are we saying? We need to run that again, innit? Alright, I know you guys want more too, so we're gonna make this happen properly. Let's go.
I'm telling you, yeah, this car, with the clutch issue sorted, it will absolutely bury that, it will abolish that Subaru, guys. Shout out to Norris Designs, from JDM, everyone watching at home.
I'm not sure if it was your car. Your car was creeping forward before you went, so try not to let it move, yeah?
Creeping forward?
Don't worry too much, but it was rolling forward. Ready, ready. Ready, set, go!
Oh,
Hey, I got these blue hazard lights on!
oh yes! Woohoo! Subaru what? TV EVO to the world. Do you understand?
He put his hazard lights on too early! Oh my God! Too soon, Junior! What on earth just happened there? I hope to God that EVO won. Finish line, who won that?
So that was just over 1 car length to the EVO.
Oh my God! I've dropped my muff. It's all going wrong. Hopefully you can hear me. That was absolutely wild. The muff is right. I've got to go. All right, I'm back. All right, cool. I don't know what happened, but the EVO slapped them bloody hazards on too quick. He took the window. Was it only me who just thought he gave it away? That was mad. All right, let's line them up and go again. Now we're getting some action, you know what I mean?
A win's a win, whether it's an inch or a mile.
When I'm launching it, when I'm bringing it out slowly, keeping the ignition cut in.
Yo, them hazard lights went on and it nearly went wrong for you, bro.
The gear changes, bro. You know what it is? You know what it is? The gears, the clutch, obviously, he's having a clutch issue.
Yeah.
Look at the pedal, look where it is.
Oh, yeah.
So, yo, we're sending it for the coach, bro, you get me?
YG, listen, best of luck.
Come on, man. What's that? Subaru where? Subaru where?
Ready. Set, go!
Got it! Oh, God.
He got him back. Oh, man.
Uh-oh. That don't sound good.
Yo, this is what we like. A little bit of backwards and forwards. All right, it's too, all right, listen. It's too much funny. Too much funny? That makes sense.
Boys, I don't know what's happened, but we've turned off.
It doesn't make sense. Nothing makes sense anymore. What are we even doing? Who wins this? Or do we need one more? I don't know. I know 2 flops at the beginning, then 2 good races. I don't know. We'll be voiceover imminent. Let me know.
I think it's another one down. I don't know, fam.
Lads, can we get back ASAP? Are both cars happy? If so, we're gonna do a decider.
Turned off. It fired up, but it's not going in gear.
Jamie, I don't think the EVO is very happy.
Sorry, did you say the Evo's not very happy?
That one was better.
I dropped the hazard back on him, yeah?
Get me.
Right, we're dying at the start line. Is he hurt?
No, he just reckons he won't start back up.
Evo's just dying.
I beat him in the rolls.
That's your 3rd Evo you've killed today?
I beat him in the rolls. I beat him in the rolls, didn't I?
Yes.
If she leaves the line, she's gone.
Yeah. Bro, I'm telling you, man, there's a problem with your clutch, bro. There's a problem with this clutch, bro. We're not doing anything else. We're not racing again. I'm telling you, bro, it just bogged on me, bro, and it's not going into 1st gear.
Oh, don't say that, man.
I swear to you.
We went off well there, didn't we?
My brother, you ready?
Oh, it's hard to launch this, man.
That was nice though, the last voice.
You know what's happening? You know, if I'm slipping the clutch out, it's staying in ignition cut. So that's the issue I'm having. You know the clutch switch?
Yeah.
It's staying in ignition clutch because of this. When I'm slipping the clutch out, to get a good launch, it's hitting, because I'm bringing it out slowly, it's hitting an ignition cut because of the flat shift.
So what's deactivating on like on the
So somehow I need to be able to go, but it's way too busy to doing that. Yeah.
Bro, we can't run again. Gear's gone again. It's not going in 1st. Oh, it is? I don't want to risk it, bro.
Okay.
It's his car.
No, for sure.
Yo, I lost complete 3rd gear then, you know. I lost 3rd gear completely.
Yeah.
I went to go hit 3rd, went poof. You can see it on the video later on.
Yeah, but is he working?
Well, yeah, I think so. Yeah, it's like it's in gear now.
Yeah, just
2nd,
park it,
3rd.
man.
See, 3rd's gone solid, bro.
It's all
I think, listen,
solid. You need
consider-
to pump the clutch,
Look at that.
bro.
5th. It's not f***ing going in, bro.
Yeah. I would say, obviously, it not being your car, being Ash's, like, shout out to Ash's here. You guys probably can't see him right now on camera. You would have saw him in the last race. However, obviously, you were driving it for him today, and you don't want to send it too hard. I completely get that. We got some good races in the end, bro.
It, man, yeah,
I don't know who won in the end, but we'll work it out.
I'll be honest with you, you know this car with the gearbox and the clutch sorted, that's Subaru in competition.
Yeah, is that what you're saying? Tell the Subaru community, because they're watching at home, yeah? Tell them what you're going to do to them.
I mean any Subaru for 1,000 brake, they can get it. Let my EVO hit the roads. Big up Norris Designs, big up Officially Gas. We're ready for war, we're ready for anyone.
Listen,
you understand?
EVO community, he's doing it for you boys. Subaru community, can you answer to his call out? That's what we need to know.
You know what's biased though? I'm a Subaru man, that's the most thing.
We love these cars, full stop.
Cool,
it's all up.
It's cool.
Okay, well, looks like we're gonna have to let the times paint the picture on this one. Starting with the fastest 100 to 200 kph times achieved using our VBox PBTs and extracting the data using RaceLogic's Test Suite software. And once again, the Scooby runs the faster time, going 100 to 200 kph in a rapid 5.21 seconds, beating the EVO's best time of 5.86 seconds. And for reference, the Scooby ran a slightly faster time in part 1 of the EVO vs Scooby showdown, and the EVO ran a slightly faster time this time round. And then taking a look over at the fastest quarter mile times achieved, once again, the Scooby just takes it. However, the VBox picked up both cars slightly letting off before the line on their fastest runs. The Scooby runs a best time of 11.02 seconds at a speed of 131 miles per hour, 4/10 of its previous best time. And the EVO runs a best time of 11.11 seconds, again, 1/10 of its best time on its last appearance. And then taking a look over at the best 0 to 60 times achieved. Sorry EVO community, once again, it is a clean sweep. The Scooby hit 60 in a rapid 3.15 seconds. Again, slightly off pace from its last appearance. And the EVO manages a strong 3.27 seconds to 60, which is the fastest we've seen this EVO move so far on the OG battles. That's data to clear up any confusion. So they called for a rematch and we gave it to them. And to be fair, this was a lot closer, but filled with a lot of drama. And with the cars either running off pace or suffering mechanical issues, it's kind of tricky to see who takes the title here. I'm gonna have to say the Scooby just edges it, simply due to the roll race wins and faster times on paper. With that said, I feel like both cars have a lot more potential in them. Regardless, these boys done it for their communities and the entertainment levels were strong. Plus, that Scooby went rounds without a breakage, which I'm sure is a first here. Has Biggs lifted the Subaru OG battle curse? Who knows? Regardless, a massive shout out to everyone involved for pulling up and laying rubber for the culture. And with part 2's race results in, I'm asking, who were you backing and which car do you think was faster? And of course, if you could only have one of the two cars sat outside on your driveway, which one would it be and why? And if you have enjoyed today's races, make sure you show your support by hitting that thumbs up button. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, because we do this every week, same place, same time, here at the OG Battles. Peace out.